What is design system? What are the use of design system? These are elements of design system. Let's get into it. So first let's understand what is design system. Design system is a collection of visual styles, UI components, reusable code and guidelines and tools. First focused on this thing, okay? Visual styles. Okay, so the visual style is defined, means the what colors to use, fonts, spacing, shadow and icons. All this comes in usual style. UI components are buttons and input fields. As you can see, there is button small, large, and all the components we have to take care of that. Okay, above before designing every code that can be used again and again. We have to think about that. And best practices like guideline for efficient and effective work. All these four components makes the design system. We use this and what it helps us to. So the design system helps to consistent. It keeps our design uniform, pages and product. It keeps in perfect lining, doesn't becomes messy. Okay, so that's why we use design system, because we plan everything in design system. What colors we use, what fonts we use everything. We know, understand everything. So helps for faster workflow. Reuse components to speed up workflow. Design system, if once we create a design system, we can get idea quickly and we can reuse the components and we can helps to create the next work very easily. It will speed up. Better collaboration. It improves collaboration between designers and developers. Stronger branding. Our brand will have an identity. It will look solid and look brand new and it will feel amazing. Okay, now let's understand the elements of design system. Let's get into it. I have created every step for you can, because when you see in this image you will easily know every single thing which I'm gonna explain. There are only four elements in a design system: style guide, component library, pattern library, and design team. Style guide. Let's understand style guide. So what's style guide? Style guide is nothing but a visual identity of a brand and product. It sets the foundation for how everything should look, how the colors, which color to use, and all this thing. Okay, as you can see here, I take this frame. Okay, now which color to use, you can see here. If you can see here the number of color 1D4ED88 means blue. Here also you can see FF, which color. As I change color, you can see here number are changing as I change the color. So it take it which color will look better. These things we make sure in style guide. Now which typography? Welcome. See typography column. Here you have to click and check which typography will look good, what style will look good, all these things. Okay, we have to focus on that. Icon style, which icon will look good, button, icon style, like if it looks star, easily star, which icon will look good, all this icon, button style, anything. Okay, color, typography, spacing, how much spacing to keep between any paragraph or second paragraph or another line. To the second element, component library. A component library is a reusable UI elements built according to style guide. Now, with the help of style guide, what we created, we must be designed like it can be reused. So, secondary, disabled, loading, because it saves. With component library, we don't need to create again and login. Now you can see in the login account, if we are making another page, we can use this same to another page with just a little bit changes. So it will save time and effort, and it will. That is pattern library. Now what is pattern library? A pattern library is a collection of commonly used layouts, interaction flows, which helps to solve UX challenges by standardizing things like forms, onboarding. This is the sign up pattern for copy and paste for a shopping cart, shopping website. You can use this. Okay, so page layout, how it will look, no results found, filters, everything. See, one thing that you need to understand is that in component library we use UI elements that are according to style guide. Okay, and in pattern library, we use commonly used layouts. Element is design team. Design team is something that is so important. Without design team, nothing. Previous three elements cannot be completed without design team. Design team is the one who are the people which are going to build, maintain, and evolve this design system. They are like a gardeners that will nurture the design systems, all this design team. So that's all for today. I hope you understood and got this. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care.